Konnichiwa, hello, my name is Miki and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my empties. For the last 2 months that I haven't been on YouTube, I have just been acquiring a lot of shit that I have used up. I have a full plastic tub here full of empties. Now, most of the stuff in this plastic bin is skincare, body care, hair care, that kind of stuff. I think I only have maybe 1 or 2 makeup products, and that's because I have really been trying to focus on taking care of my body and my skin and my hair because everything is just damaged, dry. So I have just been focusing on trying to get everything up to par. So a little disclaimer, if you are super sensitive to profanity or if you are easily offended, this is not the place for you. I am a no filter bitch and I have no idea what's gonna come out of my mouth, so keep that in mind while you're watching. Alrighty, if you guys are interested in seeing my empties that I have acquired from the last couple of months, then just stay tuned. Guys, I have been so freaking tired. Potty training Lulu has just been something else because it's just, if you guys have had a puppy, you know what the hell I'm talking about. It has been so freaking stressful. I am breaking out all over the place. I feel like whatever skincare I have been using just does not work. So I have actually recently been changing up my skincare a little bit, trying things that I never tried before because my skin has changed completely over the last couple of months. I don't know what it is. I feel like it's the lack of humidity here. We have been in like the 20% humidity and it is just so freaking dry. One other thing that has never happened before is that I have acne on my lips. Let me just say, it is one of the most painful spots to get acne is on your freaking lips. I feel like I've just been watching too many Jaclyn Hill drama videos and my lips just got offended or something. But let's go ahead and get into all these empties. I think I'm going to share with you guys my makeup products first, and I only have one. I thought I had a couple, but I only have one. This is the Hard Candy setting spray. Now, this is the Brighten Sheer Envy Brightening Setting Spray with Vitamin C Rose Water. This says it's 12-hour long wear and hydration. Now, I don't really feel like this would make your makeup last for 12 hours per se, but this is a really great setting spray. I actually really love Hard Candy. I have been obsessed with the loose translucent powder. As you guys may know, I recently moved, and so when I was moving, I was like going through all my old stuff that I reviewed like 2 years ago when I first started YouTube, and I have found a new love for certain products, and that is one of them. And so when I found this, I was like, oh man, I need to go and purchase like the other types of setting sprays from Hard Candy. Now, this one I can't really say it brightens or anything like that, but it does actually help make your makeup last. What I like to do with my setting sprays is kind of test them, like when I get home and I buy a new setting spray, I like to spray a little bit on the back of my hand, and I like to feel like if it gives me that sticky texture, because whenever a setting spray has that slight sticky texture, then you know it's going to hold your makeup in place, and that's what I look for in a setting spray, and this one does it. The scent of this is a little bit of like a rose water scent, which I really like. I honestly am not sure if there's alcohol in here. I actually have to check. It's on the carton, which I don't have anymore. I believe this is like $4 or $5. You can't go wrong with that price point. Also, because Wet n Wild is no longer freaking cruelty free and they've been lying to us all of this time, Hard Candy is a great alternative as a cruelty free brand from Wet n Wild. They're about the same price point, maybe a little bit more expensive, but not that much more. So I love this setting spray. I think I'm gonna go and purchase the other types of setting sprays and share with you guys how those work out. So that was my only like makeup type product. I am going to now go into like the hair products. I have a couple of hair products here and some of them are just no. The next hair care product is the Too Chic Brazilian Keratin and Argan Oil Ultra Sleek Shampoo. Now, one problem that I have with my hair is that it is so poofy and there's so much volume that I absolutely hate it because I have so much freaking hair. Every single time I buy a shampoo, I try to opt for a smooth or sleek or anti-frizz type of shampoo. This, you guys, just dried the shit out of my hair. Not only that, but it says it's color safe, but when I had my purple hair, the color ran so much. All I saw was purple water in my tub. I still have the conditioner, which I'm trying to use up, which isn't bad at all. I absolutely love the conditioner that goes with the shampoo. I just cannot stand the shampoo. Now, this claims that it's for all hair types. It smooths every strand, seduced with shine, banished frizz, safe for color-treated hair, Laurel and laureth sulfate free. I love like the things that it says right here, but it doesn't do all that stuff. So if you guys see this, you know, maybe opt for something else because this is not the guy. So my next hair product is the, I don't know if these are called OGX or Organics. I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna call it Organics because it's easier to say that way. This is the Fade Defying Orchid Oil Shampoo with UVA UVB sun filters. Now, the only reason why I got, the one and only reason why I got this was because because I had purple hair, and this actually says fade defying. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with organics bottles, but they always have some kind of description on the front of what it does and what it's good for, and I really, really love that, but this did not do what the bottle actually says. The bottle says protect color treated tresses with this high potency blend with orchid extract and grapeseed oil. It helps to slow premature fading and lock in color. Moisturize and replenish strands for multifaceted tones and salon perfect color that last. All lies. It totally made my purple hair run, and it was disappointing because every single time I used this, I wanted to cry because so much color came out of my hair. I absolutely love the smell of this shampoo, but for some reason, I just really didn't like it. Not only that, but it dried the shit out of my already damaged hair. In my last empties video, I actually talked about the Organics body wash, and that dried my skin out. So I don't think I'm gonna be purchasing anything from this line or brand because none of their stuff works for me. It just dries me out, and that's really unfortunate because I really hear good things about this brand. It just doesn't work for my skin and hair. Now, the next product I'm gonna talk about is something that I absolutely love. It's my last hair care product. This is the BCL Naturals Repair and Reconstruct Deep Conditioning Mask. This is the only thing that actually helped my hair after all the bleaching mess, and this actually made my hair bounce back, have a little bit of shine, have a little bit of more volume, and actually help with kind of like the split ends. And I really just love this mask so much. I love the smell too because it smells very natural and like earthy. This actually claims that it strengthens, nourishes, moisturizes, and rebuilds your hair, and I feel like it did all of that, especially after I bleached it and dyed it and bleached it again. And I just really am glad that I found this. I actually found it at Sally's while I was walking through the aisles because I knew, you know, I'm gonna bleach my hair. I need a mask that's really going to help my hair not go back to normal, but, you know, help with the damage. And this did so much for my hair. It is such a nice mask because you can leave it on for 30 minutes or you can also leave it on overnight and wash it in the morning. I don't really like leaving hair masks on overnight because it gets all over your pillow, and while you're like tossing and turning and rubbing your face, the conditioner in turn gets on your face, and then you get acne and clogged pores and all that stuff. So I don't really like using hair masks overnight, but this is definitely something that I used for like 30 minutes at a time. I applied heat to it, and every single time I would wash it out, my hair would just feel so amazing and so soft and so smooth and so shiny and so sleek. And it's just like literally everything in a mask that you would want is in this tub right here. I honestly can't remember how much it was. I think it was like $10 to $12, not really sure. But if you guys are in Sally's and you're looking for a hair mask that is going to help revive the shit out of your hair, this is the way to go. Now let's get into like body care. I have bought this over and over and over again. I must have bought in like 5 bottles so far because I am so in love with this brand. This is the Raw Sugar Simply Body Wash. This is the green tea, cucumber, and aloe vera scent. Love it so much. I love all the Raw Sugar scents of their body lotions, their body washes, their scrubs, everything. I actually have the entire line because I love Raw Sugar so much. I have the body wash, I have the body scrub, I have the hair mask, hair shampoo, conditioner. I also have bath bombs, I have the body lotion. Oh, I just love it. I love it so much. I love the scent. I love the fact that it actually moisturizes my body, my skin, and I love everything about this line. Like everything that I've used from them has really helped my skin just become moisturized and nourished and exfoliate and all that good stuff, and I cannot stop buying Raw Sugar products. Now the one great thing about this is that every single bottle or scrub or lotion or whatever you buy, they donate a bar of soap to a family in need, which I think is really great. Of course, this is cruelty free. I don't know if you guys know this, but everything that I used on my channel, unless like something happened and I didn't know and I uploaded a video, everything I use is cruelty free on my channel. I actually try to make sure that I'm on top of things and make sure that everything that I use is cruelty free. I'm learning as I go along the way. So if you do see products on here that are not cruelty free, you know, like hit me up and say something because maybe I might not be aware of it. Ever since like maybe the 6th or 7th video that I put out on YouTube, I decided that I was gonna go cruelty free from there, and everything I bought since then is cruelty free. So just a little side note for you guys if you guys are wondering. Anyways, back to this. I love this brand so freaking much. I can't say enough about it, and I can't stop buying their products. I won't stop buying their products, and I love them so much. Now let's get into some skincare products. So the first product I have that just did not work for me at all was the Pacifica Cactus Revive Milk to Foam Face Wash. Now, my friend actually gave me this because it made her have an allergic reaction, and she actually tried a couple of other Pacifica products, and her body just hates Pacifica products. I don't know why, so she decided to hand this over to me, and I was like, girl, I'll try it out. I always say that I have golem skin because I feel like whatever I put on it, my skin really never has a reaction to it. Now, it does either get dry or like break out, but never like an allergic reaction or anything like that. I think the only thing that makes my face burn is makeup removing wipes for some reason, but this was on a whole nother level. I like the fact that it foams. I love foaming cleansers, especially for double cleansing, but this is just no. I don't know why, but Pacifica Beauty always says that everything is for all skin types, and I just feel like that's not the case. I feel like if you have dry skin, you do not want to touch this because it will completely strip your skin of whatever the hell is left on it. This thing was just so hard to use because every time I used it, my skin would feel so parched and dry and tight. Not like a good tight feeling where, you know, you're like, oh, my wrinkles are gonna get taken care of. No, it's like a tight feeling where you know your skin is dry and it's craving hydration and moisture, and this is just, it just dries your skin out. So I would never ever repurchase this again. Like, never again. More skincare. Now, this is the Pearlessence Rose Water Hydrating Face Mist. You could call this a setting spray, you could call this a toner, you can call this a hydrating mist, whatever you want to call it. It is amazing. I love the Pearlessence Rose Waters. Now, the only place that I can find these is at TJMaxx, and TJMaxx always has an abundance of them. They have different ones. They have the rose water, they have the rose and aloe, they have coconut water. This has actually been like my third or fourth bottle. I actually have 2 more bottles stashed in my vanity right now because I cannot stop using this. I actually purchased the aloe and rose water one, and that works just as beautifully. This is great for setting your makeup. This is great for before your makeup. It's great for after, during. It's also great just as a toner. I feel like this has helped my redness go down a lot, which is why I use it before, during, and after my makeup process, because my face is just always so red that I can never get it to really calm down. But rose water has really helped kind of ease the redness from my face, and I really, really love it. And so I won't stop repurchasing this for as long as I can find it because I absolutely love these rose waters. So we're down to the last couple of skincare items that I have. These are all from one brand that I am absolutely obsessed with, I absolutely fully love and believe in, and every single product except one that I have used from this brand has worked tremendously for my skin. If you guys watched my last skincare routine video, which was my winter skincare routine, you will know that I just love this brand so much. This product is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2OH Dark Spot Toner. I'm just going to call it the Dark Spot Toner. This is amazing. If you have not tried this, you need to fucking get on it. I don't know why you've been sleeping on this. This is probably the most amazing toner I have ever put on my face to this day. I am not exaggerating. I am actually currently using the Pixie Retinol toner, and ever since I've been using that, my skin has just not been the same. This toner has AHAs in it, which are alpha hydroxy acids, and that is amazing for dry skin because it helps exfoliate your skin from the surface and actually helps you retain moisture whenever you're putting on products after the toner. This has helped my dark spots, my hyperpigmentation, my acne scarring, my active acne. If you have any kind of acne growing on your face and you take, like, I actually have those little do-it-yourself masks where you pour like a little something and it expands into a full face mask. I actually got some from overseas when my mom sent some, and I actually took this and just sprayed it on one of those masks, put it on my face, and all the active acne that was on my face had reduced double size the next day. I've reduced in size the next day basically, and I love this toner. I cannot use any other toner since this because even the toner I'm using now, I'm just like, that ain't, it's not this bitch. You know what I'm saying? If you guys are ever on Ole Henriksen's website, you guys will find a lot of deluxe size gift sets, and if you guys want to try those out, I would definitely recommend those to see if you guys like the product. That's basically why I have like these deluxe sizes everywhere, is because I always like to purchase a little set to try a little bit of each thing to make sure that I like the consistency, the smell, the way it works, the way it feels on my skin. The next product I have, again, is from Ole Henriksen. This is the Banana Bright Eye Creme. I love this stuff. It is so great. It is the only thing that has actually helped my dark circles. For a long time, I didn't have dark circles except for like the last couple of months where all that stress was just building up. I wasn't getting any sleep. Even now, I'm not getting a lot of sleep because we're, you know, potty training Lilu. She's up all hours of the night, and this has rescued my under eye area. Not only that, but I have a lot of puffiness in my eyes, like up here where my hooded eyes are, and this has drastically changed like my hooded eye area. I actually have a lot more of a crease than I did before, and the hoods of my eyes don't sag down as much as they used to, and I have just been loving this. I actually have another deluxe one in my bathroom right now that is on the verge of being empty. It's not too thick. Again, it's a gel creme, so it's in between like a thick moisturizer and a gel. It's right in the middle, and it's such a nice, beautiful consistency to where you can evenly spread it out. It's not too thick to where you can develop milia, which is those little white dots that you might get around your eyes. Not only that, but I actually feel like this absorbs into my skin, which is why I love it. Will I be repurchasing it? Probably not anytime soon, because I want to try different skincare stuff, but this is definitely something that I would totally go back to if I don't find something that works for me. All right, so last skincare product. This is also from Ole Henriksen, and I am obsessed with this stuff. This is the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Creme. This again is also a creme. It is between a heavy moisturizer and a gel, and it just has that great consistency to where it feels, I don't even know like how to explain the feeling of this. It just absorbs into your skin so nicely, and it leaves such a beautiful Ole Henriksen glow. That's one thing I love about the brand itself. Every single thing I use makes my skin so bright, so shiny, that natural lit from within glow, and that is the main reason why I love Ole Henriksen products. I don't know what he puts in these, but they are just, ooh, they are just amazing, okay? They're beautiful products, and these two are empty. I actually have one more in my medicine cabinet right now that is on the verge of being empty, as well as the eye creme, and I cannot stop using this. This has such an amazing smell. Of course, it smells very citrusy, and I just love the texture of it because it's not one of those really sticky messes. It's not one of those goopy things, and I really, really love it for the base of my makeup. If you're looking for a moisturizer for before you put on your makeup, this is the guy right here. It leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. It also helps your pores a little bit, and not only that, but it will brighten your skin. It'll give you that Ole glow, and I just love it so much. This is definitely something I would repurchase the full size of. I would repurchase over and over again. Again, will I be repurchasing this anytime soon? After I'm done with my current deluxe size, I will probably be trying other skincare products, even from Ole Henriksen, because there's so many Ole Henriksen products that I still want to try out. And I just have to say, if you have not tried any of these three products right here from Ole Henriksen, you are missing out. Like, what are you doing? Go on Sephora, go on Ole Henriksen right now and get these products because they are so good. Side note, I have not affiliated with Ole Henriksen at all. Wouldn't it be a fucking dream to be affiliated with them? Yes, because I love their products. I stand by their products. Their products has literally transformed and changed my skin, and I cannot say enough about Ole Henriksen. Now, some of these things did not work for me does not mean that they will not work for you, and vice versa. Also, just because I don't like something from a brand does not mean I don't like that brand. It just simply means that that particular item or product from that brand just didn't work out for me. So no hard feelings to those brands. All right, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that big red button that says subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you actually know when I post my videos. And as always, if you have any tips, tricks, questions, comments, or if you simply want to talk shit, leave it all in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.